Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to drop the bad news. It's been pretty much confirmed. Lyft and Uber, as of August 20th, will be pulling out of California. So there will be no more rideshare. It's not real clear whether or not they're going to stop at 12:01 a.m. on Thursday morning, which is the 20th, or if they're actually going to run all the way through Thursday and then shut everything down on the 21st at 12:01 a.m. Either way it goes, you've got 1, maybe 2 days at the most. And I've talked to several drivers in my area, which is LA County, and the consensus is pretty general. For passengers, expect to pay a whole lot more. The drivers in my market are going to max out rates. It's their last day, so they're going, rates are going to be exceedingly high, and wait times are probably going to be a lot longer than normal. But again, AB5 has passed, which made all rideshare drivers employees, and as of the 20th, Uber and Lyft fired all of its employees. So AB5 worked just great. Everybody got what they wanted. They got to become employees, and they got fired, and they got an additional 600,000 independent contractors fired also. So again, Wednesday and possibly Thursday, depending on when they close the doors, just trying to give passengers fair warning in LA County that Lyft drivers are going to be charging the maximum that they can, which is $4 a mile, and I believe it's $1.26 a minute at the maximum rate. So if you need to get from point A to point B, it is not going to be cheap. Wait times are going to be much longer, and until November, when this thing hits the ballot, unless there is a miracle, there is no more rideshare in California. So with that being said, be safe, be professional, keep it real. I wish you all the best of health. I would say drive on, but nobody's driving anymore. So until next time, everybody.